You should be thinking about who do I think my audience for this film is, how you're going to market, but how you're going to pay for it. Really be clear about what it is that you want, and then what you have are keys to how you can be successful in marketing your films. Be smart and strategic. Use Google and ask for help. Do not get hung up on a poster and spending a lot of money that you don't have on getting a designed poster. Do not go to a film festival without at least 2 projects that you're working on, because you never know who you're going to meet. When you're thinking about hiring a publicist or a marketer, ask the right questions about what those people are going to do for you. Sometimes it's better for your film to go to a smaller festival because you're going to get more attention. You should be reading Deadline, IndieWire, Variety, and Hollywood Reporter, because before, during, and after every festival, there's commentary about what gets bought, sold, who was there. If you're thinking about particular festivals, look at their previous year's programs and see where your film could fit in there.